गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेधिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हे।
Hello, good morning, namaste and welcome back to my channel Imperfect Fitness. Guys, before starting today's session, let's do some talk about motivational power of yoga. Guys, we live once, but if we do it right, once is enough. So take a small step every day and start your day with lots of happiness and positivity. Guys, let's begin today's session, that is day 5, first set of 24 basic yoga series. First pose is Malasana, that is known as garland pose. Second pose is hand to foot pose, that is full standing Uttanasana. This is the variation of Uttanasana, also known as full standing pose. Third pose is nose to knee pose, that is the variation of plank, that is also popular as Adho Mukha Savasana. And fourth pose is locust, also we known as Salabh Asana. So guys, शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. Guys, these poses are the form of Hatha Yoga and should perform by everyone in every day. Also, here is a tip for beginners. Can start these asanas for 10 to 15 seconds. Guys, let's start first pose of this session, that is known as garland pose, also popular as Malasana. It targets hips, ankles, groin muscles and quads. It is yoga's deep squat and it is very helpful and very easy and should perform any age group of people every day. To start Malasana, come to stand with your feet about mat's width apart. Bend the knees and lower your butt towards the floor to come into squat. Take your upper arms inside your knees and bend the elbows to bring the palms together into Anjali Mudra. Here are the pro yoga tips of this asana. If you are suffering from lower back pain and knee injury, please do not do this asana, and also please do not overstretch your body during this asana for deeper squats. Here are the benefits of this asana. It improves digestion system, it stretches and strengthens the ankles and feet. Also, it opens hips and groins. Here are the pose 2, that is standing forward fold, also known as full Uttanasana and Padhast Uttanasana. This is the variation of Uttanasana. So let's begin this pose. Bring your body extending the lower part of the body while keeping the knees straight and placing the hands on the floor beside the feet. Don't bend from lower back. Start from hips. Keep spine straight. Guys, here are the pro yoga tips of this asana. If you have pre or pro existing health conditions, please do avoid this asana completely. Guys, here are the benefits of this asana. It improves posture, it increases hip flexibility, and it helps to relieve back stiffness and neck tension. Here is pose 3, that is knee to nose pose. It is form of split of knee to nose. To start knee to nose pose, start in one-legged downward down pose with your hands and left foot pressed firmly against the mat and right leg extended up and back. Shift your shoulders over the wrists and bring your right knee towards the nose. Return to one-legged downward dog pose and repeat with the opposite sides. Continue pressing your arms. Keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed away from your ears. The pro yoga tip of this asana should not perform if you are suffering from gastrointestinal problem, also if you have carpal tunnel syndrome, headache and high blood pressure. Also completely do avoid for pregnant ladies. Here are the benefits of pose 3. First, it improves core balance, also provides strength and definition to our body. It revs up the metabolism, also boosts your stamina and endurance. It helps in weight loss, also improves the blood circulation. The last pose of this session is locust pose, also known as Salavasana. It effectively preps beginners for deeper back pain, also strengthens the leg, ankle and back of the torso. To begin this pose, start with your belly with your feet together and your hands reaching back, palms down. Raise your chest and your legs, leading with your inner thighs. Roll your shoulders back and up away from the floor. To come out of this pose, slowly release. There are the pro yoga tip of this asana. Please do avoid completely if you have back pain. The benefit of this asana, it improves posture, also it counteracts the abnormal curvature of the spine, it relieves from lower back pain, also it strengthens your back, especially the muscles supporting from the spine. Please do subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. If you like, please do forward to others. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. You will get the link below in the description box. Guys, please do yoga regularly and खुश रहिए, योगा करते रहिए. तब तक के लिए योगा करते रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और मस्त रहिए.